is Nora wearing? What are you wearing? Are you wearing a helmet? Why are you wearing a helmet today, huh? Are we gonna go on a bike ride? We are going to go on a family bike ride this morning. We are putting
family bike ride with both of them in the trailer.
We're putting both of the kids in the trailer and hopefully everything will go well. I think it'll be fine. They might get a little like antsy and like play rougher with each other than usual, but I think it'll be okay since they'll be like tied down, but we'll keep an eye on them, and if anything we'll just turn around and go home. So I think it'll be great. I'm really excited. We are getting all geared up. Milo's in the seat. Now to put Nora in. Here, put her in. Oh, I guess we can do that.
I got her.
Oh my gosh, she's so heavy.
Excuse me, Milo. Sister's coming in with you. Say hi, sis.
See how it goes the first few seconds.
You're sitting awfully close to each other.
She's so cute.
Hold on, honey. Make sure you're strapped in here.
Dada. All right, helmets are on. Are we ready to go? Ready to go. Say cheese.
Want to see the horses? Yeah. So we just made it to the playground. Mary said that was not a good enough bike ride. She's like, it was 3 miles, but it was all slightly downhill. So she didn't even really get a workout, but we'll get one on the way back up. What's up, bud? You having fun? Whoa! We're gonna let him run around, have a good time here. Well, we just finished up lunch. Bike ride has been a huge success. We went down to the park and then we decided just to go into town and grab a little bit of lunch. Got the kids back in the little cart. They're so cute. And we're gonna head back home now. I am so proud of you. You are so exhausted. She's dead.
I'm so gross right now. There's so much sweat on me.
So Mary and I probably just biked close to 10 miles. But the thing is, 5 miles into town where we had lunch was all downhill. And everything is like gradual uphill the entire time. She did have to stop once, maybe twice, but man, she powered through it. She did great. Especially, she hatched an egg on Pokemon. But also the other thing with Mary, she honestly hasn't exercised, at least since she was probably pregnant with Milo, with the exception of trying to like walk out a baby or two. But that was a good exercise, don't you think? Training, right?
I'm so gross right now.
Poor sweetie, she's tired.